I'm Juno Abilipata. Let's head to our topic in the decoding part of the global city. One. Why do you think the cities around the world have to be ranked? Cities are ranked to provide insight into the best experiences and opportunities for governments, businesses, and individuals. They serve as a report card for urban policymakers, indicating successful and failing areas, indicating action for companies, and providing answers for ordinary citizens. However, rankings cannot fully capture the unique energy and charm of each city. 2. Do you think cities around the world affects the global trends such as the value of ideas and collaboration, connectivity, entrepreneurial spirit, and economic competitiveness? Cities are dynamic entities that shape our daily lives, work, and relationships. They constantly evolve, defining the world around them. Cities unite people in unique ways, fostering creativity and innovation. They also dictate how we communicate, adapt technology, and it making the world more interconnected. Cities not only copy world trends but also originate them. 3. What do you think are the challenges faced by the cities around the globe? Cities offer energy, opportunity, and culture, but also face challenges such as rising rents, traffic, pollution, and climate change. Some communities prosper while others face poverty, crime, and lack of basic necessities. Technology is evolving, with some relying on high-speed internet and telecommuting, while others struggle. Cities must also address cybersecurity and personal data protection. Despite these challenges, cities continue to grow and evolve, providing opportunities for people to realize their dreams and establish careers. 4. Name a city in the country and say something about its development and contribution to the nation building. Cebu City, known as the Queen City of the South, is a key contributor to the Philippines' economic growth, commerce, and culture. Its thriving BPO industry, manufacturing hubs, and emerging tech industry attract investments, while infrastructure projects like the Cebu-Cordova Link Expressway improve connectivity and drive economic growth. Cebu's diverse industries contribute to the country's GDP, culture, tourism, and innovation, while its infrastructure development, including transport infrastructure and airports, serves as a model for urban development beyond Metro Manila.